This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Levy. Rock solid home with many updates, no HOA. Features concrete block construction, low maintenance terrazzo floors, lots of fresh paint, new roof replaced 5 years ago, interior AC unit completely reworked in June of 2022, updated bathrooms and kitchen cabinets just a short 8 years ago. Fenced backyard. If you're looking for an affordable, easy to keep clean home with plenty of room for the little ones to play, this is it. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below.